So what we're gonna do now is make our roasted vegetables with garlic. So I've already pre-cut the carrots up. We also have some garlic cloves. I'm gonna mix that in. And then we have some potatoes, and I already cut off some of the spots on the potatoes. I don't like the eyes, and I'm really specific about my potatoes, so that's why I pre-cut that off. And we're just gonna cube the potatoes. If you lay them flat, they won't slide when you're cutting them. Cut them into bite-sized pieces, and basically, yeah, just similar to your other vegetables. So I want them similar to my carrots. So we'll just put these right in the bowl once they're cut. We're gonna add our garlic to the bowl, our cloves of garlic. We'll add our carrots to the bowl as well. Okay, next we're gonna put our olive oil in. We want about 1/4 of a cup of olive oil. We want about 1/2 a teaspoon of pepper, if you like pepper. And we want about 1 teaspoon of salt. I'm using a pink Himalayan sea salt. If that looks kind of pinkish to you, you'll know why. Go with a tablespoon of garlic again. So this is a teaspoon, so I'll just do a few of these. And garlic's really strong, but when you bake with it for long periods of time, it actually sweetens. It becomes nice and sweet, and it's really good for our immune system. And then we're gonna mix all this together, coat it evenly with all the oil, the garlic, the salt, the pepper. And you can either serve this as a side on its own, and you can also serve it like we are today, where we are serving it with our flank steak as well. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna wanna preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. We're gonna spread this out on a single layer on a sheet pan and cook it for 45 minutes to an hour. I'm not gonna cook it right now because I wanna cook it at the exact same time I'm cooking my actual meal. So we're gonna let this sit for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and put it in the oven at the same time. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna pour this on a pan. You can use a silicone mat, or you can just use parchment paper. Spread this out, spread it with a single layer. We are gonna put this in the oven for 45 minutes to 1 hour at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And here is the final look at the delicious roasted vegetables.